Yeah. Oh, really? Because it's sodic.
Well, mock like it means light soil.
What happened here? Serious.
Tall.
4 feet, eh?
Yeah.
And beans from top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
Yeah. We'll just estimate a row here on how many we counted the beans in 3 feet, eh? That way, times it by 4, so you have a meter square.
Okay.
And they say around 1,000
Yeah.
to 1,200 is kind of what they're counting across U.S.
Okay.
That was like, I think that was over there is near 3,000.
Over there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So we're gonna look at the size of your leaves are huge here. So how many? You did about the same carbon water foliar spray as what Tony did over there. About
Did the same.
yeah.
Did the same.
Did a quarter of a tank, a third of a tank of carbon water from when you seeded it. Yeah. It's unreal. Different soil here though, black soil.
Black muck, yeah.
Yeah, this is the black muck soil.
It's a different variety.
Right there. Yeah.
That's
I see.
1.4
Per acre, 1.4.
We had 100 ton off of 72 acres.
Yep. Yep. And you did one vaping spray,
Yeah.
carbon water on these of a third of the tank had the cultured carbon water,
Yeah.
and the other 2/3 was just ordinary well water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And how many liters is that tank? How many acres would you do? How many acres would you do?
I did 20 acres.
20 acres to a third.
300
and it's
gallon tank.
300 gallon tank. So 100 gallons to 20 acres.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that would be
5 gallons per acre.
yeah,
5 gallons?
5 gallons of carbon water. It's quite a bit. Yeah.
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 That's huge.
Yeah. But you know.
In a spray.
Yeah.
Huh. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll write that down.
Oh yeah.
Noted.
That's how you.
Like
That's how you get
that's,
results, Tony. That's what made these.
First row of the class, Tony.
Oh yeah. Well, you're making it yourself. It's cheap, right?
Like school, man.
Just diesel. Diesel.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Are yours sprayed too?
Yeah.
Same way.
Same way.
I left 10 acres not sprayed.
Okay.
But
Okay.
planted it all.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
left 10 acres not sprayed to see.
So I'll be interested to go have a look.
Yeah.